Hello and welcome to JavaScript in less than 3, where I describe JavaScript concepts in under 3 minutes. Now, I have to be honest with you, I already recorded this video and it was way too long. So I'm leaving all my examples up on the screen, and instead of typing them out, I'm going to explain them to you. So here we're going to look at slice. Now, what slice does is that it takes a section out of a string and you can give it then to another variable or use it in some special way, right? But it doesn't change the original string. So when we pull something out, it's not like we modify the original string, we're just creating a new one. So here I've given the example, our greeting is "Hi Bob Jones," and then we're going to say, oh, our person is greeting.slice3. So this 3 is an index, right? So when we use slice, our first parameter is always where we want to start. So let's have a look. Hi Bob Jones, we've got 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is going to pull out the entirety of everything after that, after index 3, which is Bob Jones. Now let's say we only want to pull out the first name, right? We can give it two parameters, a start index and an end index. So here we've got greeting.slice 3, 6. So we're starting at position 3 just like before, except this time we're going 4, 5, 6, and we're pulling out Bob. Just Bob. Now, one thing that I forgot to talk about in my last video is that you can also use a negative number. So let's say we could take let name without last. Yeah, so we're going to take the name Bob Jones, but we're going to cut out the last character. So it's just going to be Bob Joan, which sounds super weird, but let's just stick with it. Okay, so name without last, and we'll go greeting.slice. We can start again at 3, but this time we can do -1. And this -1 says start at the end of the string and then take one thing off it. All right, so if we did -2, it would be Bob John, -3, Bob Joe, etc. So this is a really great little trick that can help in a lot of cases. So let's look at how we can use this practically. Now, when you've got a user input field on a form, on a website, or wherever, you're going to find that people enter stuff incorrectly, right? And I've given an example here where I've capitalized the wrong letter of my name. So what we can do is actually pull out the first letter. We do user input.slice 0 to start at the beginning and 1. And this is always going to give us the very first character. And then we're going to use our great method to uppercase to create a capital A. Then we create a variable called rest of name where we slice everything after position 1, yeah, because we don't want to work with the very first character, only the second character onwards, and then we turn that to lowercase. So suddenly we're able to use user input even if the person has entered it in a bit of a kind of crap way. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.